Once there was a boy, and the boy loved stars very much. Every night the boy watched the stars from his window. To try to catch a star, so the next day he set out at sunrise, but he could not see a star. He waited and ate lunch. Finally he saw a star, but he could not jump high enough. Doing. He climbed to the top of the tallest tree, but the star was still out of reach. He tried to lasso the star, but it was too heavy for him to carry. He tried to fly up in his spaceship, but it has run out of petrol. He asked the seagull, but he didn't want to help. He spotted a beautiful star. The sun came up, and finally he spotted a beautiful star floating in the water. He waited and waited. At last it washed up on the shore. The boy had caught a star.